Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with N26 Business Account Review My Usage Experience. N26 Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive banking solution designed for freelancers and small business owners. Its main purpose is to provide a streamlined, digital banking experience with features like expense tracking, invoicing, and international money transfers. Key features include a user-friendly interface and MasterCard debit card. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing. N26 positioning focuses on simplicity and transparency. They emphasize ease of use, claiming a quick and straightforward sign-up process. They highlight the lack of hidden fees and monthly charges, a big plus for budget-conscious businesses. The technology behind the service is a secure online banking platform, accessible from any device with an internet connection. Availability is largely dependent on your location. Check their website for eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using N26 Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process took less than 15 minutes, and I was able to verify my identity quickly through their app. Navigating the interface was intuitive. I particularly liked the expense tracking feature. Categorizing transactions was simple, and the visual representations of my spending helped me manage my finances effectively. I regularly used the invoicing tool, which seamlessly integrated with my existing workflow. The speed and reliability of transactions were excellent. I never experienced any major delays. I had a quick question about international transfer fees, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. A pro was definitely the clear and concise expense reports. They made tax time much easier. One minor drawback was the limited customer service phone support. Email was sufficient for my needs, but some may prefer phone calls. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with N26 for my business banking needs. It's streamlined, efficient, and helped me better manage my finances. That's my overview of N26 Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.